try to sneak into people's crib, but like make sure the door's locked and shit, the stove is off, shit like that. But I don't know, man, that shit wild.
5 p.m.
I know that when people in front of your house and you got that ring shit, it lets you know like on your phone and shit. So
This
but I don't know
individual
if they probably
knocks
heard it
and
because they be
stands at the
sleeping.
door for 15 seconds.
Yo, motherfuckers be weird, bro. And yo, you not wrong, bro. If you bust out that door shooting a
Afterward,
nigga up,
you
bro.
can see him wiping his fingerprints off with his sleeve. He wears a permanent smiling face mask and looks directly into the camera, fully aware that he is being filmed.
Now if you wake up and you feel me, you not wrong, bro.